better with the shank, with the longer
Yeah.
one? Okay.
Yeah, well, I mean, we can buy him.
Have you guys ride?
Yeah. Well, the thing is we can buy him whatever bit he responds to.
Yeah, we'll just use his regular one though. That way he's.
Yeah.
Would this come with him? Or would I need to find
We'll find it.
As far as when we ride with it, the pressure, do we use just the normal riding that we would with the Snaffle, or do we need to use less?
Less. This is
Okay.
always going to be. Well, it's all going to depend. You really can't say either way.
All right, we'll just have to see as we're walking and see.
Yeah.
You know, turn.
Yeah, and I put on my Facebook today too for Zachary to bring me them papers
Okay.
because I'm getting irritated about him.
Thanks. Is that the person you bought him from?
No, it's one of the kids from 4-H. She did a 4-H project on him.
Oh. Okay, like that.
Oh, the throat latch.
Maddie, be careful. Maddie. Yeah, but don't
The
tear
throat
down
latch
the
right
arena, okay? Don't pull on the wire, honey. There you go. Good thing it's not electric. She's over there straddling it.
They get it one or two good times. They
Maddie?
figure it out. Oh, yeah. See, that's just like a touch of the hand.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. Much better. I didn't feel safe in that thing.
Yeah.
It's going to be a little saddle. It might be hard to canter in that.
Yeah.
She had that set up for Maddie.
For Maddie, yeah. I like how we both stop.
Now,
Yeah.
who's going to ride him?
I was going to ride him first if I
Okay.
could.
You're not going to be comfortable though, you know that, right?
Yeah,
This is a child
saddle.
saddle.
Yeah, it's like so hard.
You just have to just kind of squeeze your legs because your feet are so. Luckily, I'm still doing funny in there. Yeah, that's true. My legs, I can just feel them just like. Oh yeah. He's doing well with all the adjustments though. I'm pretty proud.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Okay, and just remember to like him out. Because he is very responsive to that. So, and you may not be used to that if you're used to riding with something different. Ooh, those are little. I know. And right here is like. Okay, walk in. Walk in. Good boy. Good boy.
Since she's in a rush, you can just have Maddie ride next. I'll ride him if we get him.
Good stop. Good boy. Okay.
walk over to Maddie and get her on.
Yeah,
Okay.
so you think you're fine not cantering on him?
Yeah. Come on. Okay. Good boy. Pretty nice, eh, Maddie? Ready? Get up? Yay! Bring it back.
Oh, my whole family's coming.
That's not gonna see you anyway.
Back up. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. see
I
if Mom
even got
can
a
get up.
saddle on that will fit you perfect.
Yeah.
Does it fit your butt, Mom?
It fits my butt, but it won't fit my feet. Okay, I'm gonna give you the reins.
Okay.